the Ballet Basics for Adults series. I'm Alessia. Every ballet journey has to start from the ABC. And for ABC, today we're going to be talking about our arms and our feet, the very basic positions and what you need to do to move them around like a pro. How wonderful! So let's start with the very basics of ballet. Otherwise, we cannot go anywhere if we don't start from the fundamentals, right? First of all, very important, and no one really talks about this, is the posture. Because everyone thinks that posture is just about having a ball stuck up somewhere that is keeping you up straight. But something like this kind of happens. So I want you to first start by forget about the feet, legs for now. Yeah, let's talk about the posture. Put your hands on the ribs and then we're gonna breathe in. Yeah, see how they come apart, the fingers come apart, and when you breathe out, I want you to relax those ribs, and you should feel your lower abdominals right here engaging, yeah, and the ribs relaxing. So if you look at it from the side, yeah, we don't stay ducky and we don't stay tucked, and the shoulders are nice and relaxed. So let's try that again. So we go from breathing in, see how the shoulders might come up a little bit, relax the shoulders, relax the ribs and engage those little muscles, and you should feel the glutes and the bum is tightened up as well. Very first thing, there you go, you've learned the very first thing basic of a ballet, which is controlling the core and controlling the whole body right here, yeah? So the hips are nicely straight, the core, yeah, which is the muscles that are sustaining our back, is controlled, and the abdominals as well, they're all connected, keeping everything is not tight, nicely contracted. Very good, very nice. See, the bum is working. From here, we're gonna start with our feet. Forget about the arms, put them up here. This is our parallel position or sixth position. There is another 5 before that. But I like to kind of start from the easiest one, yeah? The one that we take every single day. Because remember, ballet is just a very fancy way of everything that we do while we are normal pedestrians and humans, yeah? So we just kind of highlight certain things, we put it on boost, yeah, in ballet. So sixth position, parallel feet right here. Remember that posture that we've just learned, very good. Whew, breathe, relax, good. From here, we're just gonna put our toes out. Don't force it, don't try to do fancy weird things, because see, this is what happens. We've lost everything that we've learned here. Toes are going, no, right? So from here you go, pook, yeah, because Louis XIV, the king that invented ballet, wanted to show off his heels. So first position, right here. Guess what? We've got arms that go with it. So the arms either go on barre, which is slightly not touching, never touching your pubic bones. You're not actually holding anything, yeah? Slightly away from the skirt or your clothes. Right here, very good. A big balloon, or as I love, having 2 kittens on your hands. And then first position, it goes slightly up higher without moving anything up here. 2 eggs under the shoulders, squeezing the inside thighs together, still holding the 2 little kittens right there. From here, we pass on to second position of the feet. So wide apart, I'm sure you've done this many times, yeah? The hands and arms, they go from your fingers out to the side. Beautiful. Then we're gonna go super advanced. So we're gonna take our right leg in front and we take it to a third position. So third position, your heel is where your arch, yeah, your foot arch is. Still squeezing everything, nothing has happened. And guess what? The arms can either go one in first, one in second. That's how we put things together. Or the other way, yeah? Welcome to the third position. Aha! And then if we put the front foot away, not too far away. Remember, we're not 7 meters tall. 1 foot and a bit. That's your fourth position. Arm goes up. How cool is that? And it can even be on one side or the other. And then for when we've learned everything later, more advanced, fifth position, everything squeezed, 2 arms up there. Haha. And guess what? It's the opposite of barre. How cool. Remember to download the guide and calendar to keep track of your progress and path. It's down in the description box below. You just need to click on the link and download it. Plus remember, if this is the very first time that you get around here, the playlist is going to be linked up there, so you can start from scratch from the very first exercise that we did. Let's do it. So, recapping, 6th position or parallel, very basic. First position has got 2 choices. Preparation up here, yeah? So, barre or very first position, where your belly button is. Just a little trick. 2 kittens. And then we go into 2nd position. Haha. 3rd position, let's put the right leg in front. Very good. And we go here or here. Try again. Here or here. Very good. I like it when it's opposite. It's almost like they're talking to each other. Yeah? Very good. And then from here, 4th position, just to remind yourself how far. Not too far, not too, yeah, in the middle. So it's 1 foot and a bit. So 1 foot and a bit for distance. Arm goes up. Very good. Again, they can talk to each other in case. And then 5th position, toes to heel, but that has to be later on when we're all super strong and we can hold it and the 2 arms go up together. All right, so this is the very first few things that you need to know for ballet. I want you to go through it whenever you're walking around every now and then. Figure out where you're standing. If you're standing in the first position, if you're standing on a second, or at the bus stop going, oh, look at this, it's a 4th position, yeah? I can even do the arms. All right, very good. Think about this. Keep on practicing any point during the day, and tomorrow I'll give you more. How did it go? Let me know in a comment down below. And if you're ready for the next steps, let's move on to the next episodes. Pliés, bending and stretching. Let's do it.